What's up everyone? Welcome back to Dibble-Dabble. My name's Marissa and today's video, I'm so excited. We got our Boxycharm for February and like as promised, I'm going to unbox this with you. I'm excited because I've been watching other unboxings, but I only ever see them unbox where the people chose the Iconic London palette. I chose the BECCA foundation. The only thing was my true shade match is Camel, and when I went to go choose it, they didn't have it. They only had Noisette, and so that was the one I chose. So we're gonna see if it's gonna be a match or not. I don't know, but fingers crossed. Okay, as we all know, hey, I didn't get my, well, damn. There's no, my card didn't come in here, so I don't know what variation this is, but I did choose the BECCA foundation, which I see right here, and this is shade Noisette. And we're going to see if it's going to work. Shoot. Let's pull it out. This is the BECCA foundation. We got the Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. Come on, you can focus. There we go. We got the hemp wipes, which I'm super excited. I had been seeing these and I was hoping that I was going to get these in my box, and I did. Also these by Evio Beauty. We got the cleansing pads or facial radiance pads. We got the Ciate Everyday Vacay setting powder, which coconut setting powder. Ooh, that's beautiful. Look at that. This is the Vacay Everyday from Ciate London setting powder. Coconut setting powder. Well, does it come with a pad? No, it doesn't. There's a sticker, I can't smell it, but it doesn't come with a puff. So that's actually pretty good because the Coty Airspun does come with a puff, and I usually just take it out. I actually do okay with coconut on my face, so I'm pretty excited for this as well to set my face. Oh, and we also got the Alamar brushes. Yes, man, I couldn't be more happy. Let's see, let's go ahead and open these up. Oh, that's soft. The Alamar brushes. We got this is the other one. And then we also got brightening brush. Oh, I like that. I didn't even notice. It says what they're for. Brightening brush, bronzer brush, and complexion brush. But I saw, I think he's called Brett the guy Brett, something like that. I saw him use it for his foundation, so I wanted to try it with mine. So we're gonna go ahead and let's go ahead and jump into this. And we're also going to use the setting powder today. The only thing I won't use on camera are the hemp wipes and the facial radiance pads. So let me go ahead and moisturize my face and prime my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, now that my face is moisturized and primed, we're gonna go ahead and get into the foundation. Now, I have tried this foundation. I got a sample of it when before choice, which was like January. I got a sample of it to try it out and to get my perfect shade match, so when we did our choice, we could pick the foundation shade. So I'm not necessarily doing a review on it because I already tried it. I really like it. It does last a long time. I'm just basically making sure this is my perfect shade. See what's gonna go on with that. It's not my perfect shade. I know Camel's my shade, but we'll see how this shade works. Let me go ahead and take off my glasses. How you doing? I can't see you. Let's see. And like I said, I'm gonna go in with the Alamar bronzer brush, and I'm going to do 2 pumps so far. I don't ever do my foundation with a brush, but this brush is really nice. So this is Foundation, no foundation. What do y'all think? Oops. And there I go, making a mess. I'm gonna do the 2 pumps for this side. Sorry. Will I continue to use the brush? Yes. Will I continue to use it for foundation? Maybe. I'm so used to my sponges that I might just go back to the sponge and use this for something else. But I really like it. Now that I'm all blanked out, I don't have crazy brush stroke marks. I actually like it. Okay, I'm gonna go in with concealer and I will be right back when I'm gonna set my face. 1 second. Okay, now that I have my concealer on, let me go ahead and go in with the Ciate Coconut Setting Powder. As far as the foundation, it's not my shade color. It's a little too orange for me. I don't know if you could tell on camera, but when I walked out to wet my sponge to do my concealer, I was like, whoa, that's orange. So I probably won't be using it, which sucks because I really like that foundation. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, let's go ahead and go in with some setting powder. Whoa, that's a lot. It doesn't say if it's translucent or not, but let's go ahead and go in. Oh, that has a strong coconut smell. I also like to get the sides of my nose. Okay. Remember, I don't bake, so I'm going to go ahead and wipe that off with my Complexion Brush. Get my mirror. Okay, that's not too bad. Oh, that's pretty. Wow. Check out that nose. Damn. Yeah, that's really pretty. That's pretty to set your eyes with. Okay, now we're going to bronze up my face a little bit. And I know I used the bronzer brush for the foundation, but I'm going to use the complexion brush for the bronzer. And what is this? Oh, the brightening brush. I guess I could have used that. It's cool. Use whatever you want. Makeup has no rules. All right, so I'm going to go in with the Wonder Beauty Trip for Two Duo. And I'm going to go ahead and bronze up my face with the brush. These brushes are really, really nice. Look at all that foundation in my hair. It's cool. Let me know if y'all are interested. I know my hair's been like this for like most of my videos. This is how I do my hair. It's the wet look. I've been doing it for years. I actually truly like that. I like this brush. And this foundation. God. I gotta go to Sephora and go buy it in my color because I really like it. I really, really like it. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with blush, and it's going to be, again, that Trip for Two. Oh, look at that. So pretty. Okay. And it's the same brush, the Complexion Brush from Alamar. And I am enjoying it. Okay. Oh, we'll use this for highlight. And I'm going to go in with the Wet and Wild Precious Petals. I'll go in with that for some highlight. That's pretty. Yes, highlight brush. Sorry, I like to get all of that. Yes. I've been needing a really good highlight brush, so I'll go ahead and show you on this side. Woo! I know you see that. Okay. I like to just go all around. Oh God, that's beautiful. Sorry, I'm just going crazy with the highlight. I really love these brushes. These brushes are really good. I did all three. Now I am going to do my eyes off camera and we'll be back with my final thoughts. 1 second. Okay, so now that my face is completely done, let's go over what we got in the box. The BECCA foundation, it wasn't my shade. It was a little too orange for me, but now that I got the complete look, it does look a lot better. This is how it looks. It's doable, so I will be using it. I really love it. The Ciate Coconut setting powder is amazing. I love the way it set my face. Not too powdery. The smell, the coconut smell smells really good. While I was doing the rest of my makeup, I was like, man, this stuff smells good. So it smells really good. As far as the brushes, I really do enjoy them. I love them. Probably wouldn't be using this again for foundation. I just really prefer my sponge, but it is a good brush and I will use it for something else. And the brightening brush, great for highlight, and the complexion brush, great for my blush and my bronzer. Came out really great. So overall, 3 products, yes. As far as these 2 products, I know I wasn't able to use them with you on camera, but I will leave down in the description box how they work. And that is all for today's video, and I'll see you on my next one when it is Dibble-Dabble time. Bye.